Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to look at some data for a density of water chemistry lab that we did. I did follow a rubric. I have another video called Rubric Excel Density Lab Report, and I did follow some of the guidelines there. Notice that I have density of water, Fall 21 D Barnes. I have my name listed here. I have a tab density of water noted here. We took the mass of a graduated cylinder on the top loader, and then we added a predictable amount of water to the cylinder, then weighed the cylinder again. So notice that the formula in this cell here is B2 minus A2, so I took the with water measurement and subtracted the mass of the cylinder to get the mass of the water. Then in this cell over here, you can notice that I took the mass of the water and divided it by the water volume to determine the density. Notice that in this chart down at the bottom right that we have milliliters of water. That is this set column of information, and then the mass of the water is this set right here. And so this is the nice graph that we get. And so I did a tool pack add-on and found out that my mean, my average density of water is 1.0095, 1.010, something like that, which is probably not too bad. The last thing I just want to point out is that I try to standardize the labels that I have here. Notice that I've got Calibri 14 bold here, and here, and also here, and then in the labels over here, these are just Calibri 14. So I was trying to match a rubric, and there you go. That was a fun lab. Enjoy, be safe, and enjoy.